A very special hello to everyone who is watching us through our channels of MIRA USA. As part of our help towards the community, it's very important to us to make sure that everyone is well informed of the help that the local entities are providing, as well as the nation in this situation that we're all going through. For example, the IRS has announced that the deadline to file and pay federal income taxes has been extended to July 15th, 2020. This is due to the current situation that is happening with COVID-19. If you owe money, the due dates for payments have been extended as well to July 15, 2020, which means you will not be charged penalties nor interest for paying until that date. Now, let's talk about the economic impact payments. Who is eligible for the economic impact payments? Those who have filed previously and have a valid Social Security number. Those who have filed their taxes using a TIN number or a tax ID do not qualify. Even though for those parents who have a TIN number with kids who have a valid Social Security number do not qualify, for the IRS only checks the Social Security of the parents filing the return. Is this taxable income? No, it's exempted from taxes. What happens if you have not filed your 2019 taxes? While we highly recommend that you do that as soon as possible, the IRS will use the information from 2018 instead. Now, how much is the amount of the benefit? Eligible taxpayers who have filed tax returns for either 2018 or 2019 will automatically receive an economic impact payment up to $1,200 for an individual. And if you are a married couple, you can receive up to $2,400. And if those couples have children, they can qualify for up to $500 per qualifying child, being that that child is 17 years or younger. Is there a limit of income to receive this benefit? Yes. Tax filers with an adjusted gross income up to $75,000 for individuals and up to $150,000 for married couples filing jointly will receive the full payment. For filers with income above those amounts, the payments will be reduced $5 for each $100 above the adjusted income limit. Now, taxpayers with the incomes exceeding the following amounts are not eligible for this benefit. Single filers with the income exceeding $99,000 and for married couples filing jointly with the income of $198,000 with no children are not eligible. Social Security recipients and railroad retirees who are otherwise not required to file a tax return are also eligible and will not require to file a return. How will the IRS know where to send my payments? The economic impact payments will be deposited directly into the same bank account reflected on the return for 2019 or 2018. Now, what if the IRS does not have your direct deposit information? What can you do? In the incoming weeks, the Department of Treasury plans to develop a web-based portal for individuals to provide their banking information to the IRS online so that individuals can receive their payments immediately as opposed to checks in the mail. For those with disability payments or retirees who have received Social Security benefits who are not typically required to file a tax return, do not need to take an action and will receive their payments directly into their bank accounts. Now, the IRS will use the information on the form SSA 1099 as well as the form RRB 1099 to generate the economic impact payments. They will receive these payments as direct deposit or by paper check, just as they normally would receive their benefits. And I hope this information will be useful to everyone. For those who have not filed their taxes for 2019, we at MIRA USA highly recommend that you do that as soon as possible. Also, I keep reminding everyone to stay very attentive to all our social media platforms, just because there we will continue to give out information that can help you in this situation that we're all going through, because we are MIRA USA and helping moves us.
MIRA USA, helping moves us.